And if your heart stops beating, I'll be here wondering, did you get what you deserve? The ending of your life. And if you get to heaven, I'll be here waiting, baby. Did you get what you deserve? The end. And if your life won't wait, then your heart can't take the step. You heard the news that you're dead. No one ever had much nice to say. I think it ever liked you anyway. You take me from the hospital bed. Wasn't never granted exactly what you planned, and wasn't never great if we were dead. Oh, dead. Tongue-tied and oh so squeamish, you never fell in love. Did you get what you deserve? The ending of your life. And if you get to heaven, I'll be here waiting, baby. Did you get what you deserve? The end. And if your life won't wait, then your heart can't take your time. You heard the news that you're dead. No one ever had much nice to say. I think it ever liked you anyway. You take me from the hospital bed. Wasn't it the grand to take a pistol by the hand? And wasn't it the great if we were dead? And in my honest observation, during this operation, found a complication in your heart so loud. 'Cause now you got maybe just 2 weeks to live.
If we're so much the same, like I always hear, why such different fortunes and fates? Some of us live in a cloud of fear, some live behind iron gates. Why such different fortunes and fates? Some are blessed and some are cursed. Some live behind iron gates, while others see only the worst. Some are blessed and some are cursed, the golden one or scarred from birth, while others only see the worst. Such a lot of pain on the earth. Whoa, 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 whoa. The golden one or scarred from birth, some things can never be changed. Such a lot of pain on this earth, it's somehow so badly arranged. Some things can never be changed, some reasons will never come clear. It's somehow so badly arranged. If we're same